Evening, everybody. It's let's see, 9:54, so kind of late, but it was a long day. Excuse me, and a long weekend. And my microphone broke, so I had to go out and get another one. Okay, if this is your first look at futures, and believe me, it's really not much to look at. Evidently, um, corn down a quarter, soybeans down two and a half. What's kind of interesting here is that the corn and the soybeans have been consolidating, but the wheat and the oats have been weaker. And while they've been consolidating much closer to the lows than the highs, which is exactly the opposite on the corn and the soybeans. Oil, after its huge move down last week, it was down almost 8%, is basically unchanged. Heating oil, the same. Gasoline, the same. Nat gas, woo, up 3 cents. It's only down 76% from the high. Gold up 10.5 after the Thursday, Friday decline from a high to the close in 2 days, $100 from 1975 down to even tonight's low, 1873. This is an area that should have some support, but I'm going to give it a little bit of room. If it's down anywhere near 1835 to 1850, I'm going to get long it again. The silver, we're still in. We'll have to see how that goes. It's basically unchanged to slightly higher. The copper is a little lower. Um, it was down to 403. I think I'm looking for about 395 on that to get back in. The animals are not open. We are down slightly in the cotton. The rest of the complex is not open yet. The sugar got pounded. I think that the all of the international commodities that are traded in dollars got pounded on the Thursday, Friday reversal to the upside on the dollar. It went from under $1.01 to currently over $1.03. That's a pretty big move. Okay, S&P's down about 12 and a half. That's been about where they've been. They were down as much as 17 and a half, but have come back a little. Excuse me, the NASDAQ is down 45, down 73 in the Dow, down 780 in the Russell. As I said, the dollar index is up 26 cents. And mostly that's because the bonds are down. The bonds were down almost 2 points on Friday with that payroll and um, unemployment number that came out. So that's about, Bitcoin down about 400 and Ethereum down 28. All right, everyone. I'll be back first thing in the morning. Sorry